Next, Mathematics 2 Practical 5. Aim of the practical is to verify distance formula. In 5th lesson coordinate geometry, we have studied distance formula. So we have to verify that distance formula here. Material required: graph paper and compass box. So compass box means in that pencil, pen, scale, everything required. Okay. So formula which we studied in 5th lesson, distance formula. Let point A is having coordinate x1, y1 and point B coordinates are x2, y2 are 2 points. Then length of segment AB is equal to square root bracket x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This is the distance formula. Now this distance formula we have to verify using graph. Okay. Procedure. First step, draw x-axis and y-axis on a graph paper. For plotting points, take scale 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit on both the axes. So here we required one graph paper. On this graph paper we have to draw x-axis and y-axis. So horizontal number line is x-axis and vertical number line is y-axis. Okay, this horizontal number line is x-axis, vertical number line is y-axis, and scale is given 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit on both the axes. Here we have to write scale. One centimeter equal to 1 unit on both the axes. Okay. So here we have to take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit scale. This is origin. For origin here they told give other name, but we will give the coordinate 0 here. On right hand side of 0 we have positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On left hand side of 0 we have negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Above x-axis from origin we have positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Below x-axis negative number -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. So first step we completed. Draw x-axis and y-axis on graph paper for plotting points and take scale 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit on both axes. Now second step, plot point A 3, 4 having coordinates 3, 4 on the graph paper. x coordinate 3 and y coordinate 4. X coordinate 3, y coordinate 4. So here we have point A, 3, 4. Next step, third, label origin as B. Here this origin, we have to give name for this origin as point B. Fourth step, also plot point P 3, 9. Point P 3, 9 means x coordinate 3, y coordinate 9. X coordinate 3, y coordinate 9. So point will come here. Point P having coordinate 3, 9. And Q minus 3, 1 on the same graph paper. Q minus 3, 1. X coordinate minus 3, y coordinate 1. So the point will come here. Point Q minus 3, 1. Okay, so this way we here plot points. Now let us do the calculation part, observation and calculation. So observation. We took point A and point B on the graph paper. Okay. Point A is having coordinate 3, 4. So let us assume its coordinate as x1, y1. Point B is origin. Here they give the name for origin B. So coordinates of origin are 0, 0. Let it assume x2 and y2. So according to our distance formula, length AB is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. So we have to complete this activity. Equal to square root x1 minus x2 square. So x1 is 3, x2 is 0. So here 3 minus 0 bracket square plus y1 minus y2 bracket square. y1 4 and y2 0. So here 4 minus 0 the whole square. Okay. Next step. Now do the subtraction. 3 minus 0, 3. 4 minus 0, 4. Now make it square. 3 square is 9. 4 square, 16. Now 9 plus 16, 25. And square root of 25 is 5. So length AB is equal to 5 centimeter. According to this distance formula. Now second points we plot P 3, 9, assume its coordinate as x1, y1 and Q minus 3, 1, these coordinates we assumed as x2, y2. So according to the distance formula, square root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. So x1 minus x2. x1 3, x2 minus 3. So here 3 minus 3 the whole square plus y1 9 and y2 1. So y1 minus y2. So 9 minus 1 the whole square. Now this minus into minus plus. So here 3 plus 3, right, 6. 9 minus 1, 8. 6 square is 36. 8 square, 64. Now add this 36 plus 64. Here you will get 100. Okay. Followed. So here according to distance formula we calculated this. Now take out square root. Square root of 100 is 10 centimeter. That means length PQ we got 10 centimeter. Okay. Now next step. Now measure actual length of segment AB and segment PQ with the help of scale. Okay. So here we have to use this graph paper. We have to draw segment AB. Now we have to measure actual length of segment AB. So this actual length is 5 centimeter. Okay. Then we have to draw segment PQ. Let us measure the length of segment PQ. It is exactly 10 centimeter. So here length AB we got 5 centimeter and length PQ we got 10 centimeter. So we have to write here in the observation table, length AB is equal to 5 centimeter and length PQ is equal to 10 centimeter. That is length AB 5 centimeter, length PQ 10 centimeter. This is second statement. First statement, using the distance formula we got length AB 5 centimeter and length PQ 10 centimeter. And by actual measurement we got length AB 5 centimeter and length PQ 10 centimeter. Both the lengths are equal. Okay. So here the conclusion is, from result 1 and 2, distance formula is verified. Followed. So student, you have to draw such a way x-axis, y-axis. You have to plot the given points, draw line segment and do the calculation. This graph paper you have to stick in your maths practical notebook. Okay. So this way we completed Mathematics 2 Practical 5. We verified the distance formula by actual plotting the points on graph paper. Okay. Now next, Mathematics 2 Practical 6. Aim of the practical is to verify trigonometric identities. So what material you required here? Geometry box, paper and pencil. Okay. So we studied in trigonometry lesson which are the trigonometric identities. Okay. So which identities we studied in trigonometry lesson? First identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second identity, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Third identity, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So these three trigonometric identities we have to verify here. Okay. So procedure is given. First step, draw a triangle ABC such that angle B equal to 90 degree, BC equal to 4 centimeter and AB equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, this reference figure is given. So according to this we will construct triangle ABC. So BC we have to draw 4 centimeter. Then angle B we have to draw 90 degree using protractor. Here put 90 degree sign, arrow. Length AB we have to take 3 centimeter in compass. So you need compass here. Take length AB 3 centimeter. Keep compass on this 90-degree vertex and make arc here. And draw this segment. Okay. So label here A, B, C. BC we drawn 4 centimeter. AB 3 centimeter. So this way we constructed triangle ABC. Next step they gave, label angle C as theta. And third step, calculate AC using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So this angle C we have to label as theta. Okay. And this segment AC we have to calculate using Pythagoras theorem. So let us do calculation. Using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay. AB equal to 3 centimeter, BC equal to 4 centimeter. So AB square plus BC square means 3 square plus 4 square. So directly write here answer. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So 9 plus 16, 25. So AC square is equal to 25. Therefore AC is equal to 5. Take out its square. So here AC we got 5 centimeter. Okay. Now next. First we have to find out trigonometric ratios. First ratio, sin theta. So formula for sin theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse. So opposite side of theta is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So therefore the formula is AB upon AC. AB 3 centimeter, AC 5 centimeter. So sin theta we got 3 upon 5. So we have to find its square. Sin square theta. Make it square. So 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25. So sin square theta is equal to 9 upon 25. Next trigonometric ratio, cos theta. So formula for cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side is BC, hypotenuse is AC. So BC upon AC equal to 4 upon 5. So here we have to complete. BC upon AC equal to 4 upon 5. Then we have to make it square. Cos square theta. Make square of 4 upon 5. So here we will get 16 upon 25. Next ratio, tan theta. Now formula for tan theta is tan theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. So AB upon BC. So AB upon BC means 3 upon 4. Here you have to write AB upon BC equal to 3 upon 4. Then make square. Tan square theta is equal to 9 upon 16. 9 upon 16. Next ratio is sec theta. Formula for sec theta is, sec theta means reciprocal of sin theta. Sorry, sec theta means reciprocal of cos theta. So cos theta is BC upon AC. So sec theta we will get AC upon BC. AC upon BC means 5 upon 4. So its square is 25 upon 16. Cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. As we know the formula, cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. So BC upon AB. means 4 upon 3. Make it square, 16 upon 9. Next is cosec theta. Now cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. Cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. So make reciprocal of sin theta. So here write AC upon AB. AC upon AB. AC 5, AB 3. So 5 upon 3. Make it square. 25 upon 9. Now let us take first identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta is 9 upon 25. And cos square theta is equal to 16 upon 25. Now here next step is 9 plus 16 upon 25. So 9 plus 16 equal to 25. So 25 upon 25. So 25 upon 25 is equal to 1. So this way we verified the first identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Understood? Now next second identity. Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Now sec square theta value is 25 upon 16. All values we have with us here. Minus tan square theta. Tan square theta is 9 upon 16. So the next step is 25. Sorry, here minus sign should be there. Here printing mistake is there. Instead of here plus, minus sign should be there. 25 minus 9 upon 16. Now 25 minus 9, subtraction is 16. So 16 upon 16 is equal to 1. So sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 we got. Now take this minus tan square theta on right hand side. So here sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So this way we verified second identity, that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Followed? Now next identity. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Cosec square theta value is 25 upon 9 and cot square theta value is 16 upon 9. So 25 upon 9 minus 16 upon 9. Here sign should be. Now 25 minus 60 upon 9. So 25 minus 16, subtraction is 9 upon 9. So 9 upon 9 is equal to 1. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Take minus cot square theta on right hand side. So here we will get cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. That means 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So this way we verified all the three trigonometric identity. First identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So conclusion is, hence all three identities are verified. Followed? So this way we completed Mathematics 2 Practical 6. Followed?